Ready to turn your Solana holdings into cash or another crypto without leaving the safety of your Coinbase wallet? First, unlock your Coinbase wallet using your biometric authentication or PIN. Locate Solana in your asset list and tap on it. You should see your Solana balance and transaction history. Look for a button labeled either Convert or Trade. Tap that button. Now, you'll be on the conversion screen. Make sure Solana is selected as the asset you are selling from. Select the asset you want to receive, like USDC, Ethereum, or even USD if available in your region. Enter the amount of Solana you want to sell. You can either type in the SOL amount or tap Max to sell your entire Solana balance. The estimated value you'll receive in the selected asset will be displayed. Review the transaction details carefully. This screen shows you exactly how much Solana you're selling, what you'll receive, the exchange rate, and any fees associated with the conversion. Once you're happy with the details, tap the Confirm or Convert button to finalize the transaction. Congratulations, your Solana has now been sold, and the receiving asset, like USDC, will appear in your Coinbase wallet shortly. The transaction details, including the transaction ID, will be displayed on the screen. That's all there is to it.